Welcome back to the Simple Dad YouTube channel. In this video, I want to show you how to save Instagram Reels and where to find them on Instagram. So you might be in a situation where you're browsing through Instagram Reels and you suddenly see a reel which interests you. You want to save that reel so you can come back to it later, but you don't know where it gets saved and how to save those. So let me show you how to save and view those Instagram Reels on Instagram. On your phone, open up the Instagram app. Then tap on the Reels icon at the bottom and find a reel which interests you. Once you've found it, tap on the three dots at the bottom right, then tap on Save. This will save the reel on your Instagram account. Now to see the saved reels, tap on your Profile tab at the bottom right, then tap on the three lines at the top right. Now from this list, select Saved. Here you'll see all your saved Instagram Reels. Tap on any of them to play the saved Instagram reel. And that is how to save Instagram Reels and view them on Instagram. If this video helped you out, then please hit the like button and let me know in the comment section down below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.